Shout out goes to my Facebook friend, Belvia Elizabeth Latier. This is a report right here from Penn State. Now, Penn State research shows that medical marijuana may stop cancer cell growth. WHTM in Harrisburg is reporting that new research from Penn State College of Medicine shows medical marijuana may stop the growth of colon cancer cells. Not surprisingly at all, because everybody knows that marijuana always fights cancer and kills the cancer cells. But let me go on to read on. According to the National Cancer Institute, colorectal cancer is one of the most common cancers diagnosed into the U.S. The research looks to change the outcome for patients. Colorectal cancer is the third most common cause of cancer in the United States, and it's also the third most common cause of deaths in the United States, said Leslie Ram-Savage, the research project manager. The researchers looked into synthetic derivatives of the compounds found in medical marijuana and how they interacted with cancer cells in test tubes. Of the 370 compounds, it turns out that 10 were fairly effective against all colon cancer cell lines. Ken Verana, chair of Department of Pharmacology of the Penn State College of Medicine, reports. Researchers will look into making these compounds more potent and effective against cancer cells. The possibility for medical marijuana is immediate because that can be used now in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, said Verana. We just don't know what it is doing. In terms of these specialized chemicals, they probably wouldn't become true drugs for another 5 to 10 years. While this research is focused mainly on colon cancer cells, it would impact other cancer cells as well. We have a sense for what works there. We suspect it will work for other things, said Verana. We're actually trying it for neuroblastoma right now. The National Institutes of Health helped support the study, which took about a year and a half right now in Pennsylvania. There are about 20 qualifying conditions to become a medical marijuana patient, which includes cancer, autism, epilepsy, and HIV. So there you have it, guys. Like I said before, as a person who's tried marijuana before, I know it works against pain. It also works against stuff like cancer and different type of sickness. But the reason why we're having trouble getting these things passed is because the government is working hard against it. But fortunately, you got a president named so-called Donald Trump who was saying that it's okay to make marijuana legal. But I think we should make it legal. In the state of Florida right now, we're fighting against this case. But if we continue to fight this, I guess we can make it happen. We can make this happen and make marijuana a be of use. So that's some good news that we all need to take in consideration. Please like, share, and subscribe this video, and I'll definitely get back to you in the next one. Peace and blessings.